This is our Marina GT Barn Find. Last time, Craig commented on the build quality.
Chewing gum left over from the mechanics that put it together.
Simon continued on with the welding, and the car revealed some of its past.
Mini Clubman, £995.
We bought the Marina back in November from picturesque Robin Hood's Bay, and we decided we wanted to take it back once it was finished. We've since booked a weekend there in March. That means we've only got a few weeks to get it done. So, ladies and gentlemen, mainly gentlemen of a certain age, we're not doing a full restoration. Initially we're just making it mechanically sound and bodily solid. So if we go to a show and upset a few people with its tatty paintwork, yeah, that's a bonus. As I say on Roadkill,
don't get it right, just get it running.
As you've been watching, the Marina has been up on a 2-post lift, and this is a bit inconvenient for when we want to work on any of our other cars. So Rylan built a frame for us to put the Marina on so we could move it around the workshop. And it's also convenient for Simon for when he welds the sills.
So what we're going to do is we're going to cut that off, and then we're going to weld a new sill on.
More of the bodywork later. In the meantime, me and Matt are going to get on with stripping the front legs.
So we'll get some heat on those. Do other side, bring them in. Yeah. We'll get heat on those, take the back plates off, chip them away. Oh, I hate this chipping thing.
Is it too big?
No!
Oh,
End's all floppy. I can't get it to stiffen up no matter what I do.
Have you tried stroking it?
Would you rub it for me?
If Ryan's not here, if Ryan were here, you'd have no problem.
If Ryan were here, Ryan would tell us how to get that end all stiff. I like it how I've got to do everything here.
Well, you're the entertaining one.
No, I'm not. I'm the brainy one. I'm the one that can hold a spanner. Oh, sorry, a wrench. Should we start using American terminology? Pass me that wrench.
Have you got any aluminium?
Right, lad. Ah. Handy tool.
Yeah, you've got loads of hammers in this place, haven't you?
Ah, yeah, look, so... Yeah, we don't need that, do we?
But we did. So Simon cut the rusty dust covers off.
Which way did that go now?
One way.
That way. That way, like that?
Yeah.
So that's the brake carrier. Caliper carrier, so we need to keep that bit, I think. It's quite important, that. Look, there's 2 springs in. Oh, look, which one of them, look.
Right.
That should have an hole in, shouldn't it? There's 2 springs, there's a spring in there. I wonder if there's a spring at top, I can't remember. No, there isn't. So that's that. Yeah, that's that, look. Oh!
Relief.
Relief, not sexual.
Then we moved over to the parts washer so Matt could scrub his bits. Oh bugger. We've got a problem. The biggest problem here is I'm making the tea and I'm rubbish at making tea. That time we went to Italy but broke down. Like, everything breaks down. That's disgusting. I'm really, really sorry, Matt, but that is awful. Cup of tea. That's yours.
That Simon's?
Simon's is that one.
That one? Oh God. Get a picture of his face when you give it to him.
Why is it a bit?
It'll do, won't it?
What?
It'll do. Too much milk.
Too much milk?
In Yorkshire, you don't put that much milk in a cup of tea.
You're chuffing Joe, it's only you
No.
freaks.
It'll do.
Thing is, we only had one tea bag.
I can tell.
Oh no.
Well,
really?
you
Like dishwater.
you got the first dip.
Mine's like tatty water. Tatty water. Look at it.
Yeah, that's for the second-hand tea
Mine's
bag.
like leftover gravy that's been left to soak for a while. You know, with water.
Mine's like old man's gravy.
Right, got an idea. Before I fit this still on, you're
Oh, we're all
sign
gonna
it.
sign it.
Yay.
We just got rude.
Can't spell collective.
Well, we're gonna bloody wax. We're gonna wax oil it, aren't we? Is it our real names or our stage names?
Come on. I'll do.
Matty.
My name.
Stop it.
Watch my tea.
Ooh, tatty water. What's that?
It's Mikey.
Let's see, say it.
What's the...
Have you put a little happy face on your S?
Yeah.
Is that what you do?
Yeah.
You puff.
No wrong with that.
Watch the paintwork.
What's the date? What is that?
It's 22nd.
Is it finished? Finished date? I don't know. August 2025.
There we are.
Going into vet school. Mike, would you just bend over? I wouldn't say how long you're. I've heard that the average man has a 5-foot-long colon. So, I'd just like to.
How long's your arm? 5 foot.
I can get halfway, Mikey. If you give me half a chance. If it's your choice, I can either do that, or I can do that.
No, do the other one.
What that? No, that tea's awful.
He actually looks like the colour of the Marina. Yeah.
Oh, it's lovely tea, that, Mike. The best cup of tea I've had this hour.
I make crap tea, I'm sorry.
Make terrible tea.
I'm sorry.
Generally one tea bag.
Yeah, there's genuinely one tea bag.
No wonder it tastes this.
I'd rather have shared. Shared just one cup with Simon.
I told you I put it in Simon's and then got all the flavour out into his.
You put it in Simon's, let all the flavour out, and then put it in mine.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Did you burn yourself?
No, Mike saw it.
Right, you're finished now.
Taping them up so they don't get damaged. Blasting cabinet. Juice, put them back on.
Now back to the sill.
Right, let's tap it and see how solid it is.
Ah, let's do that.
Yeah, that's really solid, that.
Can I do it?
Spot on. There's nothing wrong with that, look. It's solid as a rock.
Stick it under seal, you cockhead.
Oh,
You
look.
said they were alright.
Well, given I couldn't tell until we took the sill off.
Oh,
how the
yeah,
hell
you
would I
called
know?
it cunt.
Probably looks a bit there, look. It's a bit weak. and obviously there. The next job is to drill some holes in there. I need to clean up that on the inside edge, weld through primer on, and it's pretty much ready to go on. It's almost there. A little bit playing about with it, but that's pretty much it. Obviously the gap, it'll come down when I come to... It's not lined up yet. Yeah. I guessed that.
Yeah.
So I wasn't sure how that went. That needs to come down a bit further yet, so I'll play about with that.
And then just make a closing.
So just make a closing piece to go in there.
Yeah.
And then I need to make one across the top. But like I said, it's just rested there, so it's not...
Yeah.
That's it.
Excellent.
Right.
We received a message from Elaine, the lady we bought the car off. She's actually a subscriber to the channel. Before I get into that, we've just clocked over 4,000 subscribers, so thank you if you have subscribed. We want to see if we can get to 10,000 before we go back to Robin Hood's Bay, but we'll need your help. A massive 85.7% of you aren't subscribed, so if you enjoy watching middle-aged men dick around with rusty shitboxes, please subscribe. It'll help us reach our goal. Anyway, back to the message from Elaine. The photo we found was of her brother David, who owned the car. He's on the far right, but unfortunately that part of the photo is damaged. The guy next to him is his friend John, who was there on the day we dragged it out of the garage. So that's that little mystery solved.
The Morris Marina is a beautiful car. Luxury motoring with a really sporty performance when you want it, because Marina reliability comes from miles of grueling rally testing. Morris Marina. Beauty with the brains behind it.
See, look, all this humorous banter should be on the internet.
Yeah, but Ryan's not humorous.
There's a fair point there.
Thursday has arrived, but unfortunately Simon can't make it down, so we're left to remove the engine. Do you remember last time?
There's only 2 bolts and then the engine's out.
Those 2 bolts turned into 4 bolts and then a lot of swearing because the engine mounts also had to come out.
One needs to come off.
But finally we were ready to lift it out. Did I say lift? I meant drop it to the floor. And after the engine oil was removed, we slapped it on a workbench and started to strip it down because we said we would never strip it down.
Means it don't look like it's been rebuilt, no. 80,000 miles on it.
We'll do another 80. Just it rings.
Oh, the standard, we know the standard pistons anyway.
New pistons in it.
High compression ones.
No. Go for it. No. You don't want low compression, because when we put a supercharger on it, we'll need low compression.
Coppery goodness.
It's just colour of oil, it's just rubbed into it.
Yeah, it's a little bit worn. Actually, it's not that bad. Oh, very fitted. That just goes to show how much shit's in the engine. Stuck in with this, all this coke in here.
Cleaning?
And metal filings.
Yeah.
No, we're going to get another one.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. We are now good. Camshaft is not actually that bad, considering the lifters were really pitted. Yeah, considering the lifters really pitted, that's not bad.
Yeah, I'm coming.
And before long, we've just got a pile of bits.
Holy Jesus, wept.
Well, that didn't take long to strip.
No, it didn't actually. Think it'll take that long to put back together?
No,
No.
probably about 6 weeks.
It's an interesting scene.
Going in 7.
I told you not.
If we make it, I will be amazed. I will genuinely be amazed.
There's no chance.
Look at the trailer it. Hot nuts and bolts.
We had to use heat on this nut and bolt. Good job we've got something that can withstand these high temperatures that we could catch it in.
I won't put that and hold it. You know, you've got a ratchet in other hand,
I know
don't
I
you?
have.
You know that, don't you? There
know I
you
have.
go. Hey, look. Let's figure it out, look.
But
It's easier to do it. Put your hand under. Dare you. Do it again. Come on.
Next episode, we've got some shiny bits to show off, so don't forget to subscribe.